This new AI tool called ChatGPT has me completely awestruck, and I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video the best method to use it to load a lot of money first. Everyone has been talking about it for the past week or so where have you been if you don't know what I'm referring to? It is incredible that an AI robot is capable of doing anything. It can code, write essays for you, and make songs for you about anything. It is just astounding. If you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, I'll explain how it works in a moment. You can get it to write blog posts and post them, get some clicks on them, and then earn money from affiliate marketing or ad revenue, which is not the best way to use it. Other people have said they plan to establish an agency, essentially a copywriter agency, and then basically sell copywriting services and hire the AI to do it, which is okay, but not the best way to use it. Chrome extension. The first step in our process will be to create a profitable Chrome extension. I'll now demonstrate how easy it is by creating a ChatGPT extension, revealing the vast market available for Chrome extensions. Most viewers have likely used browser extensions before the available Chrome ones were widespread. They are essentially little programs that operate within your browser. Just to give you an idea, this guy built his own AdBlock extension and earned thousands of dollars from it. I want to make a Chrome extension, but I have no idea how to go about doing so. I have no experience with coding, and I have no idea where to begin. Simply ask ChatGPT to create one, and provide instructions on how to do it will be enough for me. Just type, "Can you give me a Chrome extension for an app called Veganize?" The extension will read the content on the web page and change the word milk to vegan milk alternative on any page. So now, ChatGPT is actually creating the script and showing how to do that step by step. What we now need to do is copy this code and save it as a file called manifest.json. Then I need to go into Text Edit, which is a program on my computer, and save that as a file called manifest. Then I need to take this code, which is the content, and I basically just need to save that as a text file as well. It helps me on what to do, so I must set up an extension, visit the Chrome extension page, activate developer mode, load the unpack button, and then add it to the file. So let's talk about Chrome extensions. This is all my extension here, but all I have to do is select developer mode, then click load unpacked, and finally upload a file containing both of those documents. Our next task involves selecting a recipe and ensuring that it works correctly. Let's inspect the rice pudding recipe to confirm its validity. The recipe in question includes a vegan alternative accessible within the extension, which suggests that the recipe is functional on all fronts. The Chrome extension will likely be downloaded by every vegan out there, so they won't have to keep an eye out for non-vegan recipes. There are several methods to make money off of this, one of which is to submit it to the Chrome store where we can sell it. VAT calculator. The next way we can benefit from ChatGPT is to create an HTML web tool, which is somewhat similar to a Chrome extension, but which we can monetize in a very different way, and which we can also use to profit from free organic traffic. To do this, we ask ChatGPT to create some of these incredibly helpful tools, which we can monetize in a very straightforward manner. I just went to Google and typed VAT calculator. If you don't know, VAT is basically a sales tax in the UK. So if I have something that is selling for £1,000 and I don't know how much VAT to charge, the VAT calculator tells me to charge the particular amount. Let me tell you that this website makes a lot of money and that it's a very simple tool. We can tell Chatbot to create one of these simple tools. Just tell ChatGPT to create an HTML VAT calculator. That allows the user to add an amount, then click Add VAT, and the calculator will add VAT to that amount. It will also have a button called Remove VAT, where it will remove VAT from the amount. This is only to demonstrate how simple it is to make something from scratch. ChatGPT handed me the entire script, which I just placed on a blank page in the website builder, Kartra. Trading indicator. Our next option is to use ChatGPT to develop a trading indicator. This one is epic if you ever try to trade in cryptocurrencies or stocks. You might use this charting tool here called TradingView, which displays the price movement of various coins and commodities like Bitcoin or stocks like Netflix. Here, people try to buy and sell stocks and cryptocurrencies. As I'm not a professional trader, I won't go into great depth, but I wanted to share this tool with you because it is quite effective. Indicators are one of this tool's key characteristics, and there are many of them. Although some of these indicators are paid for, you can obtain them for free. A paid indication called MarketSpot simply advises you when to buy and sell, because that's what it does. Thus, you can now make and sell indicators using ChatGPT. Simply type the prompt, create a Pine script indicator that triggers the buy signal when the volume increases by 5% in a 15-minute time frame. I believe the volume we inputted in the prompt was appropriate, and that will be a better time for buyers to purchase. ChatGPT then literally spit out a script explaining how to use it for trading views. As I previously mentioned, you can either build a website where you sell leads to people who want indicators, or you can keep it to yourself in order to trade and earn money. Now we will go to Indicators in the Trading View and ask our indicator to My Indicators, and now you can simply use it, which is going to be really helpful if you are in a trading game. Create and publish a book. Our next venture involves writing a children's book using ChatGPT, which we can publish on Amazon with ease. The process is simple, and we don't need to include plenty of words to produce an enjoyable story. The book centers on a timid bear named Ricky, who's frightened to attend school. With ChatGPT, we already have an excellent story to work with. All you have to do is log on to ChatGPT and input the prompt, write a children's book about a shy bear called Ricky who is scared to go to school. Soon enough, you'll have an exciting story your young readers will love. Our following action is to receive a comprehensive portrayal of Ricky's physical appearance, which we can later use to construct illustrations for our book. We'll obtain this information by requesting ChatGPT give us a detailed description of how Ricky looks like. Our next step involves utilizing Midjourney, an extraordinary AI technology, to create images. To access this feature, it's necessary to join the Discord group. Copy and paste the description we receive from ChatGPT, and Midjourney will generate an image the way we desire. Come to Midjourney and type / and imagine prompting, then paste the description of Ricky Bear and click on arrow. Midjourney is going to create the 4 images within 60 seconds, and we can also upscale these images based on our choice, and then we can make other images based on our story and scenes, which we can then add to our children's book. Now I'm going to choose one image from Midjourney and upscale that. I'm going to type /, then imagine, and add the image address. After that, I will add the description and sitting in the classroom. Now we have a similar looking bear in the classroom. Finally, we can generate all of the required images for our book using Midjourney. Then we can proceed by adding these images, along with our written content, to a document for uploading to Amazon. BookBolt is a helpful program that we can use to establish the correct dimensions of the book, along with creating an appropriate cover and page format. Employing this program, we can set forth a polished and professional final product for publishing on Amazon. Next, we will utilize Amazon KDP, which is Amazon's self-publishing program, to upload the PDF of our book. Amazon will host the book on its platform for sale. Whenever someone purchases it, Amazon will fulfill the order by printing it on demand, and we will receive payment. By using Amazon KDP, we can quickly and easily self-publish our book for an audience of millions to access. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you want to know how to make money on YouTube as a beginner, check out that video right here. And we'll see you there.